Okay, so what's up, Revs? Rev fans, Team Rev, whatever you want to call yourself, whatever I feel like calling you on that particular day, I don't really care. If you're watching the channel, you made it. Congratulations. You're awesome. Totally love it. So last year, if you've been following the channel for a little while, and if not, go back and check it out. We did a short ride for a charity of my choosing, the Parent Project of Muscular Dystrophy. We're doing that same ride again. However, that ride is actually going to be coming up July 7th. This ride is from June 16th. This is the Ride Over Cancer. And in all honesty, I love this ride. My aunt passed away from breast cancer. My other aunt survived cervical and breast cancer. Same aunt survived both of them. Cancer affects all of us. If that isn't cliche enough to say, it does. In the hockey world where I'm from, a lot of hockey teams support trying to end cancer, trying to figure out ways to help it in a better way, to help the patients in a better way instead of going through chemo and all that drama. This has had such an impact on my own life. I felt the need to be a part of this, to make sure that I was there, to make sure that I enjoyed every minute of it, because truly it is something that has changed me and changed my life and really made a big difference. So real quick, just in case you didn't know, Ride to End Duchenne is July 7th, Rochester, New York. We're actually meeting up in Hilton at the Dakota Grill. There's going to be cupcakes by Get Caked. There's going to be, they donated them. They're awesome about that. They did all the cake for my wedding, the cupcakes, the cakes, the pies. They are an absolutely awesome company. New Look Collision is one of our event sponsors this year. Summit Federal Credit Union is another event sponsor. And as always, ASC Graphics is another event sponsor that we have that we are really excited to be a part of and to really just enjoy. I mean, it's really awesome that we have so many great sponsors this year. They're doing wonders. Unfortunately, we did have a t-shirt sponsor. I couldn't get a logo together in the short amount of time that we've had to put this one on, and it's been kind of crazy. But shout out to Dakota Grill, shout out to Summit Federal Credit Union, and shout out to Sullivan's Charbroil. All of those companies are allowing us to park in their parking lots, be a part of where they are at in the Hilton community. And I love supporting the Hilton community. There was just a big tragedy in the Hilton community, and I really want to make sure that Hilton is not downplayed, that all of them out there are truly cared for in our community. Because I mean, yeah, it is a small, tiny little hamlet of a bigger town, and you don't want them to kind of just get sucked down into the idea of, oh yeah, they're just there. do a huge shout out to Bike Life Clothing Company out of Syracuse, StunterX. You guys did awesome. I hope you like the clips out from them, from the drone, and from me. That was an awesome show. Loved watching you guys. Sorry I couldn't stay longer, but huge shout out to the very first Ride Over Cancer. It was absolutely lit. I loved being there. It was a ton of fun. Got to see a lot of old friends that I haven't seen since last riding season. So I mean, just awesome being around it. And yes, I did just use the word lit. That's because my brain right now is in camp mode, and those kids say the word lit every like 10 syllables. Not 10 words, every 10 syllables. It's just thrown in there like, yo, 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 lit, lit, lit. One of my students, it's like, I'm hype every other word. So you know what it is.